Welcome back to Alaska Santa Fe and Pacific's Model Railroad. This is the entrance to the new yard. Got it going. Got the yard area painted and getting some track down. So you'll see that here. Well, I'm making some progress. Got another switch in. Got another switch in. And I got two more switches right here to put in, but I'm missing one right there. And I extended the table another 4 feet. Okay, here's the new switch coming into the yard, the new yard. And then I threw in all these switches so I could get into the ladder. So you can see there's gonna be 6 lines. I was able to get this switch in the coal yard area, and so that's working. Waiting for another box of track to come in the mail so I can finish this. My friend Butch is going to give me the piece of foam, so next week when I go down and see him, I'll get that. And I put up 4 more shelves on top of all my other shelves for storage. And I got this area pretty much put back together. Got a dwarf light showing the switch position. Got the bumper wired in and working. Then I took this engine right here and ran it through the new yard after I got it all wired up. So it works pretty good. It's pretty flawless. So this is where I'm at right now. Well, come back and see us next week. See the progress. Thanks for watching.